Alright, so here's a look at this cube organizer. I got this because, as you can see, I have a ton of wigs and I need somewhere to put them. A table just doesn't cut it. What I have found is that these foam heads fit right inside, and they have been able to store a couple, and the other cubes that aren't holding anything can hold shoes very nicely at the bottom. When I was putting this together, there were different orientations you could put this in. I know it's advertised as an 18 cube organizer. This one, where it's like a ladder, this one is 16. I do have some extra pieces left over, but it was very simple to put together. A little time consuming because it's so large, but overall this has made a huge space saver in my crafting room. So it's pretty sturdy. So it's not flimsy, it's not some of those that's made out of very thin material. This can hold a lot. I've actually put a little bit of my weight on it when I was putting this tapestry up behind it, and it was fine. But it's very good, and I'm very happy with my purchase.